guys. So, 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So, I don't know if you guys have seen this video before, but you should watch it. I want to say it might have been back in like January or December. The company Juno Co, they sent me brushes and their beauty blender, microfiber beauty blender. What a mouthful. Anyway, so they contact me again to let me know they were sending me some, or asking if they could send me some new stuff that they have coming. And sis, I'm lit. First of all, I'm excited because like it's been like 7 months and they remembered me. So like I felt very special, right? So they sent me 2 more microfiber velvet sponges, which I'm lit about because this is what mine looks like currently. I got 2. This is the last one that I have. And I really like this a lot. I haven't been wearing foundation much. Like you'll see how I did my face today. But yeah, so they sent me new ones and they kind of revamped them. So they have a flat base now instead of the rounded base. And then they have like a different type of angle and they're pointed, so it makes it a lot easier to put like concealer under your eye than this one does. And then I like the pointy one too because it makes it a lot easier to get like really close to my brow when I'm putting my foundation on. So I really like this one. I don't know what else they changed about it, but this gets wet and it stays wet. I don't know if I mentioned it in the last video, but the first one, like it got wet, but it didn't stay wet for very long, so I had to like continuously put it under the water. But this one, like, this one's still damp, so I really like the new one. I like the new one a whole lot better, so I'm probably going to use it a whole lot more. Might even inspire me to wear foundation more often, so we can throw this one in the trash. Boom! Yeah! They sent me, some eye brushes, and they sent me a kabuki brush. I genuinely don't really know what these brushes are for. They sent me a flat brush I'll probably use for powder or foundation. I don't ever really use these kinds of brushes. Mostly because I don't know how to use them. I should probably watch a tutorial or something. But these brushes are super soft. The eye brushes are over here. So these are the eye brushes that they just launched and that they also sent to me. Really excited because they have one of these so I can get back into my dip brow because I lost my other angled brush. I don't know where it is. These are my favorite types of eye brushes. I'll use them for anything because usually I don't do anything like real intricate, and I'll just like fluff some contour in my eyelid, and then these are the brushes that I would use for that. They sent me 2 palettes. I'm going to use the eye brushes in this palette in a different video, but I'm just going to show it now. This is the Peach Dream palette. It's giving me real modern Renaissance vibes. So if you will want to see some swatches and you want to see how I did this look, continue watching. Thank you so much to Juno Co. I'm so excited that you guys keep your eyes on me and that you guys feel that I'm worthy of your products. I'm really excited to see where this company grows because this palette is amazing. So shout out to them. Wow. bye.